In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to count total checkboxes in a Google Sheets checklist. This is a helpful trick, especially if you're managing tasks, keeping track of completed items, or organizing information using checkboxes. So, let's dive in and get started. First, open Google Sheets in your browser. You can do this by navigating to docs.google.com spreadsheets and logging in if needed. Once you're logged in, you'll see a list of your existing spreadsheets. Select the one you want to work on, or you can create a new one by clicking on the blank option if you're starting from scratch. With your spreadsheet open, the next step is to select the sheet within your document that contains checkboxes. You might have multiple sheets, so be sure to have the correct one open. When you've confirmed that your checkboxes are visible, we can move on to the next part. Now, find the column where you want the total count of checkboxes to be displayed. Typically, this is placed at the end of your data range for clarity. Click on a cell within that column. This cell will show you the total number of checked boxes, so name it something intuitive if you like, such as total completed. Once you've selected the cell, it's time to write a formula. Don't worry, it's simpler than it sounds. Click the cell and begin to type the formula. You'll type each count, F, followed by an opening parenthesis. This function helps us count the number of times a condition is met within a specified range. At this point, you need to highlight the range that includes all your checkboxes. Click and drag across this column to select it completely. After selecting your range, type a comma and then type true before closing your parenthesis. This formula will count all the boxes that are checked, as checked boxes return a true value. When you press enter on your keyboard after typing the formula, the cell will automatically update to show the number of boxes that are checked. It's a dynamic count, so as you check more boxes, this count will automatically update, reflecting the current number of completed or checked items. And there you have it. With that simple setup, you can effortlessly track the total number of checked boxes in your Google Sheets document. This is a fantastic way to maintain an overview of progress in whatever activity or project you're managing. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Thanks for tuning in, and happy spreadsheet managing!